Good morning, everybody. How are you guys doing? Happy Friday. Today it's November 26th here in Spain, and it's kind of special today because later in the evening in the center of Malaga, Malaga will be officially switching on its Christmas lights. So they have this Christmas tree and they have these Christmas decors like around Malaga in the center of Malaga in its neighborhood. So I thought of vlogging it so you guys can see. I'm super excited for it because last year there wasn't like an event like this because of COVID. So I think everybody are super excited to witness this again. So yeah, that's going to be the plan. Right now I have like 30 minutes before clocking into work. So work first and later we'll head to the center and witness Malaga to officially switch on its Christmas lights. I'll see you later. Good evening, everybody. So I just clocked off from work and right now I've got like 30 minutes to basically run and go in the center for the official Christmas light switch on. I'm super excited, so I'll see you there. I'm gonna go run.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate.
So that's the tree over there. I think we've got like 15 minutes for them to officially light up the Christmas tree. I'm excited.
Fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside,
But I love it.
we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Churros time, you guys. We're going to a churreria to eat churros and hot chocolate. Ta-da-da-da-da. The churros is here, right? I'm trying to remember. It's somewhere here. Oh, I remember, it's there. I hope they're still open though. Oh, Christmas tree. That's the churros place. I'm starving right now. I'm ready to eat. So I got the churros, and it's like the super typical Spanish churros. I'm gonna dip here. Lamig ko siya. Do you like it? Very yummy, right? I don't know, how much is this one? We'll ask the guy later. Hola, pregunta, ¿cuánto es?
6,90.
Okay, so it's 6 euros 90. El chocolate. El chocolate, ¿cuánto?
Vale 1,95.
Gracias. So for the chocolate, it's 1 euros 90. Oh, it's very yummy. So I think that's gonna be it for this evening. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as I did. And if you happen to like this video, then give this one a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, then please do. I would greatly appreciate it. And more vlogs are coming your way. I'm traveling to other European countries soon. Hasta luego!